Meaning of home, sweet home.
Home, sweet home.
Home, sweet home.
Home, sweet home.
Home, sweet home. Home, sweet home is a common phrase that expresses the idea that there's no place like home. It's a sentiment that is often used to describe the feeling of comfort and security that comes from being in one's own familiar surroundings. This phrase originated as the title of a song by John Howard Payne in 1823 and has since become a popular saying. It represents the importance of having a place to call your own, where you feel safe, loved, and able to be yourself. Ultimately, it's a declaration of the special bond we have with our homes and the people we share them with.